let's get our hands dirty. If you're here, you're probably curious about what it really takes to grow pistachios from the ground up. Maybe you've tasted a handful and wondered about the story behind each nut. Or maybe you're dreaming of rows of trees stretching out under the sun, all your own. Pistachio farming isn't your average job. It's not a 9-to-5, and it's definitely not for the faint of heart. It's a lifestyle, a commitment, and a test of patience and perseverance. There's no office, just fields, sun, and a lot of patience. You'll trade fluorescent lights for the open sky, and your daily commute will be a walk through rows of trees, not a drive through traffic. It's not about planting a tree and waiting. Pistachios demand attention from day one. You'll need to nurture saplings, monitor their growth, and protect them from the elements. It's a long, gritty process that tests your will. There will be days when the work feels endless, and the results seem far away. You'll battle heat, bugs, and years of waiting before your first real harvest. Pests, drought, and unpredictable weather are just a few of the challenges you'll face. But if you're still interested, you're ready for the challenge. The rewards aren't just financial, they're personal. You'll grow alongside your trees, learning resilience and patience. This guide is your starting point. We'll walk you through every step, from the basics to the finer details, so you can make informed decisions and avoid common pitfalls. We'll cover everything from choosing the right land, understanding soil types, and selecting the best pistachio varieties, to planting, irrigation, and finally, harvesting your first crop. Nature doesn't work on your schedule. Weather, seasons, and the natural cycles of the trees will dictate your pace. Flexibility and observation are key. You'll need to learn her rhythms: soil, sun, water, and the trees themselves. Understanding how these elements interact is crucial for a healthy, productive orchard. Pistachio farming is a commitment, not a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes years before you see a return, and you'll need to invest time, money, and energy along the way. But the satisfaction? It's real. There's nothing like holding a basket of pistachios you've grown yourself, knowing the journey it took to get there. You'll create something you can see, touch, and taste. So, grab your boots, roll up your sleeves, and get ready to put in the work. We're about to dig in. No jargon, just straight talk for beginners. Whether you're starting with a few acres or dreaming big, this guide is for you. By the end, you'll know what you're getting into, and if this is the dirty job for you. Let's get to work and see if you have what it takes to become a pistachio farmer. What is a pistachio? At first glance, it might seem like just another nut you find in a snack bowl, but there's a lot more to this little green gem than meets the eye. Pistachios have a story that stretches back thousands of years, connecting people, cultures, and landscapes across continents. More than a snack, it's a survivor. Pistachios have adapted to some of the harshest environments on Earth, making them a symbol of resilience and endurance. Pistachio trees thrive where most plants fail. Hot, dry regions with little rainfall and intense sunlight, their deep roots search for water far below the surface, allowing them to flourish in places where other crops would wither away. These trees are tough, long-lived, and can produce nuts for over a century. Some pistachio trees have been known to keep giving for generations, their gnarled trunks standing as living monuments to time and perseverance. Planting pistachios is planting a legacy. Your work can pay off for generations. When you plant a pistachio tree, you're not just thinking about your own future but the future of your children and grandchildren. It's an investment in the land and in your family's story. Here's the catch: pistachio trees are either male or female, and you need both for a successful harvest. This unique trait makes pistachio farming a careful balancing act. Only female trees produce the delicious nuts we love, but they rely on pollen from the male trees to do so. The wind becomes the silent matchmaker, carrying pollen from tree to tree. That's why you need both male and female trees in your orchard, carefully arranged so the wind can do its work. Without this partnership, you'll have a field of shade, not nuts. Pistachio orchards are beautiful, but beauty alone doesn't fill your basket. The right mix of trees is essential for a fruitful harvest. Pistachios are valuable because they're hard to grow and demand patience. Years can pass before a young tree produces its first crop, and each harvest is the result of careful tending and hope. This isn't a plant for the impatient, it's for those who respect the land's slow rhythm, who understand that good things take time and care. Every season is a lesson in patience and perseverance. Grow pistachios, and you join a story thousands of years old. From ancient Persia to modern orchards, pistachios have been cherished by kings and commoners alike, woven into the fabric of history. Ready to be part of it? When you plant a pistachio, you're not just growing a nut, you're becoming a steward of tradition, resilience, and hope for the future. Pistachios are picky about where they grow. They need long, hot, dry summers. Think 100 degrees Fahrenheit and up. But they also need cold winters to rest, with chilling hours below 45 degrees Fahrenheit. That's why California's Central Valley and parts of Arizona are pistachio country. Soil matters too. Deep, well-draining sandy loam is best. Wet, heavy clay? Forget it. Test your soil before you buy land. If water doesn't drain fast, walk away. Flat or gently sloped land is ideal for planting, irrigation, and harvest. Access to reliable, good-quality water is non-negotiable. Even desert trees need irrigation. Find the right combo: hot summers, cold winters, sandy soil, and water. That's the home your orchard needs. Get this right and you're set up for success. Miss it and you're fighting an uphill battle. Found your land? Now the real work begins. Clear everything: trees, rocks, debris. You want a blank canvas? Next, break up the soil deep down. Ripping or deep plowing shatters hard pan and improves drainage. Level the field with laser precision. Even ground means even water and healthy trees. Plan for drainage. Sometimes you'll need subsurface pipes to keep roots dry. Use the land's natural slope to your advantage. All this prep is tough, expensive, and time-consuming, but it's the foundation for your orchard's future. Skimp here, and you'll pay for it later. Do it right, and your trees will thank you for decades. This is where your orchard story truly begins. Ready to get your hands dirty? Time to plant, but first, get the right trees. Buy young grafted saplings from a reputable nursery, both male and female. Kerman is the top female variety. Peters is the go-to male pollinator. Spacing matters: about 17 feet between trees, 20 feet between rows. This gives trees sunlight, air, and room for equipment. Plant one male for every 8-10 females, spaced so wind can spread pollen. Dig a hole for each sapling, set the graft above the soil, and water deeply. Now wait. It'll be 5-7 years before your first real harvest. Pistachio farming is a long-term investment. Patience is your best tool. Every tree you plant is a step toward your future orchard. The payoff? Worth every minute. Planting is just the start. Now you keep your trees alive. Young trees need consistent, deep watering to build strong roots. As they mature, adjust irrigation. Spring and summer are critical, especially during nut fill. Drip irrigation or micro sprinklers are efficient and keep weeds down. Trees need food too: nitrogen for growth, potassium and phosphorus for nuts. Test your soil and leaves to know exactly what's needed. Apply fertilizer at the right time, usually nitrogen in spring. Fertigation, fertilizer through irrigation, is efficient and precise. Monitor and adjust constantly. You're not just a farmer, you're a tree nutritionist. Healthy trees mean healthy harvests. Stay vigilant and your orchard will thrive. Pistachio trees need regular pruning for strength and productivity. Major cuts happen in winter, shaping young trees into an open vase for sunlight and air. Good structure means more nuts and less disease. Mature trees need maintenance pruning. Remove dead, diseased, or crossing branches. Balance is key: too little pruning, trees get crowded; too much, you lose next year's crop. Orchard upkeep goes beyond pruning. Manage weeds. They steal water and nutrients. Some use herbicides, others mow or plant cover crops to improve soil and suppress weeds. A clean orchard floor makes harvest easier and safer. Healthy, tidy orchards are more productive. Pruning and upkeep are ongoing. Never skip them. It's all part of running a professional operation. Your orchard attracts more than just admiration. Pests and diseases love it too. Navel orangeworm and lygus bugs are top threats, damaging nuts and reducing yield. Integrated Pest Management (IPM) is your best defense monitor. Use traps, release beneficial insects, and keep the orchard clean. Only spray as a last resort, and always follow label directions to protect pollinators. Fungal diseases like Botryosphaeria and Alternaria thrive in humidity. Good pruning and water management help prevent them. Remove old nuts and debris to cut down on pest habitats. Prevention beats cure every time. When you must act, choose the safest, most effective methods. Being a good farmer means being a good steward of the land. Fight smart, not just hard. After years of careful planning, nurturing, and dedication, the long-awaited harvest season finally arrives for pistachio growers. This is the moment when all the hard work, patience, and hope invested in the orchard come together in a single, rewarding event. Harvest typically takes place in the late summer months, usually around late August or September, when the days are still warm and the trees are heavy with ripening nuts. You know the nuts are ready when the hulls begin to loosen and take on a rosy hue, and the shells inside split open naturally. This is a sign that the pistachios have reached peak ripeness and are ready to be picked. Modern harvesting relies on specialized machines that gently shake the trees, causing the ripe nuts to fall onto large catch frames. This method ensures that the nuts are collected quickly and efficiently, minimizing damage and keeping them off the ground. Time is of the essence. Freshly harvested pistachios must be transported to the processing facility within 24 hours. This rapid turnaround is crucial to prevent mold growth and unsightly stains, which can affect both quality and value. At the processing plant, the nuts go through several steps. The outer hulls are removed, the nuts are thoroughly washed, sorted by size and quality, and then carefully dried. Proper drying is essential to ensure the pistachios can be stored safely for months without losing their flavor or crunch. Only the highest quality, perfectly split nuts are selected for packaging and sale. Workers meticulously inspect each batch, ensuring that only the best pistachios make it to market shelves. Careful handling after harvest is just as important as the growing process. Clean, organized storage helps preserve the nuts' freshness, flavor, and value, protecting the farmer's investment. For growers, seeing their pistachios beautifully packaged and ready for sale is a moment of immense pride. It's the culmination of years of effort, from planting the first sapling to nurturing the orchard through every season. Each harvest is a testament to the farmer's patience, resilience, and hard work. The journey from planting to harvest can take years, but the reward is worth every challenge faced along the way. Every bag of pistachios carries not just a delicious snack, but the story of the people who grew them, their dedication, their struggles, and their triumphs. The journey from orchard to market is long and demanding, but the sense of accomplishment at the end is real and deeply satisfying. In the end, it's the joy of a successful harvest, the pride in a job well done, and the knowledge that your hard work has paid off that makes it all worthwhile for every pistachio farmer.